Hey guys, welcome to WordPress Tips and Tricks. In this quick video, we will show you how you can set your navigation links to open in a new window. Let's get started. Starting things off, each WordPress site is powered by a navigational menu that you can put on the header. Clicking the navigation links redirects you to the desired page without leaving the same window. But there are many websites that need to make the links open in new windows in order to not refresh the current page and lose the navigation. Well, the default WordPress navigation doesn't let you do that. Even if you go inside the page editor, we are using Elementor here, you can place navigation widgets inside your page and select any menu. But there is no option to open links in a new window there. One possible scenario is that you can actually set up custom links with a text editor. In a text editor, you can choose texts, click on the link icon, and configure your link. Here, you can simply checkmark the open link in a new tab option, and that's it. But we specifically want our menu links to open in a new window. How to do that? Well, it's very simple. Go inside your WordPress dashboard and access the Menus option under the Appearance tab. Here, if you click on the menu items, you won't find any option for links to open in a new window, and there ain't any option below, too. Now, just simply hover over the Screen Options menu at the top right of the page and click it. From the checkboxes there, checkmark the Link Target option, and now you can minimize the screen options. Now click on any menu item, and you will see the open link in the new tab option inside. Checkmark the option to your desired menu items and save settings. Now, let's reload our page. Once you click on the navigation link, the link opens in a new window instantly. That's how easily you can set your navigation menu links to be opened in new windows. That's the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow our channel to get more tips and tricks videos. See you soon.